Hey everyone, welcome to How To Experts, and in this video, we'll show you how to remove ads on Instagram. Love them or hate them, advertisements are now part of the Instagram experience. While you can't avoid them or have a completely ad-free viewing experience on Instagram, here's one way you can remove ads that you really don't like. First off, open your Instagram app. You'll of course start off on your main feed. Scroll down as you usually would. And if you see an ad you don't like, here's what to do. Tap on the three dots on the upper right-hand corner of the advertisement you want to remove. When the Hide Ad menu pops up, just choose the reason that best suits your situation. With that, you can continue scrolling and use the same process on any other ads you want to remove. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.